Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can see which plan you are currently subscribed to on Spotify. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on the Music for My Mind site, and I am on this article on how to renew or cancel your membership. And this is pretty much irrelevant for the tutorial at hand. However, there is a very useful sort of a bit of information which is highlighted here, and this will help you pretty much see which plan you're currently on. Now, of course, Spotify is the most famous music streaming app, and it does have a subscription-based service model where you can subscribe to a variety of plans and pretty much gain benefits based on that. If you're a free listener on Spotify, you'll have a certain amount of skips and you won't be able to select the exact music you would like. However, with a premium account, you will be able to choose and play whichever songs you want at any time you want. Of course, if you have an internet connection or if you've downloaded them, you can very easily listen to them offline as well. Now, to see which plan you're currently on, you just need to visit your account settings. You can go to spotify.com/account, or you can access your account settings by going on your mobile phone, going into the app, clicking on the gear in the top right, and clicking on your account. From here, you will see the payment or the subscription model which you have. I do recommend you do this on a computer since it's much simpler. But yeah, once you're on that link which I mentioned, which is spotify.com/account, you will see which plan you're currently subscribed to and when your next monthly payment is due. Now you can check it very easily, and you'll see either Spotify free or Spotify premium, and you can very easily change the plan if you have one already, or you have the option to join premium if you do not. You can also update your payment information if you have premium in the bottom right of this picture, as you can see here. And that is pretty much all there is to it. You'll see whether it's premium, and if it's premium, it will be this sort of light pink color with Spotify premium written. If not, it'll be this sort of magenta color with Spotify free written in it. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.